tweet out my stream. 287 of you guys still watching. If you guys drop a like on the stream, that would be sweet. One like goes a long way. It really does. Let me go ahead and tweet out the stream. So what do you guys think of Black Canary so far, from what you've seen? Do you think she looks pretty sweet? Do you think she looks pretty cool? I think she looks pretty cool. I think she plays pretty cool. Yeah, my bad. I didn't mean to scare you, man. I'm sorry. Bam. Sorry guys, I'm tweeting out the stream. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Yeah, she plays really well, honestly. Like, I'm really surprised, actually. I don't know what to expect, and she's really good. I just really wish that her, well, I don't know. I wish she had a projectile. She doesn't, but it's cool. Okay, I'm back reading the chat, by the way, so. Alright, I don't know if we got anything for her, did we? No, we're still level 1. Just got some different... Okay. Yeah, we got Black Canary makeup hype. What's up? They're exactly the same thing. They're the same thing. Okay. Oh, we got a rare, okay. Some durable boots, some faded boots. That changes the entire look. Look at that. We got a choker because we're edgy. Nice. And that's her second color. It's just black, like straight up. Just... Nice. Okay, cool. What's the word of the day? Coke float. I thought she had a grenade. I've yet to see a grenade so far. Yet to see a grenade so far. Hopefully we get into matches though with people who aren't just like picking their mains, because if so, we're gonna get our asses kicked. So let's not hope for that. I love her. She is hot as fuck. Nice. I'm just waiting for the next Mortal Kombat game. Bro, I could not come any sooner. I am excited for this game, though. I am pretty stoked for it. I like everything about how she fights. No powers except Scream, but mostly Fist. Yeah, it's definitely different. My buddy True Underdog, he's like really big on that because he's always like... she doesn't rely on her abilities. It's just straight... like gameplay and like combat, which is cool. Very unique, you know, honestly. And I really feel like once you learn the strings and like once you start enhancing them, and this guy left. Okay, well, he doesn't want to play. I feel like once you understand how the strings look, once you enhance them, you'll have an idea how to use her. Because when you're just using the combos by itself, she's really limited. She does have pretty decent reach though. Like I said, you know, earlier, for not having a projectile, she has decent reach on like her back. I think it's back 2. She like goes like 10 feet to do like this back like roundhouse kick. It's pretty crazy. What's up, Corn? What's up, dude? What are the next codes coming, Gabe? They said once Black Canary gets released, so I'm gonna assume right now. What's up, Cam? How you doing, dude? I'm hoping for a trailer for MK11 at EVO this year. I guarantee my nutsack we're not seeing a trailer at EVO this year for for MK11. Alright, here we go. She really reminds me of Sonya mixed up with Sindel. She plays a bit like Sonya. The Sindel thing's just the Scream, really, because she doesn't have any other abilities other than just like the Scream, like no special move regarding the Scream or nothing. It's really weird. Like literally all it is combat, parries, command grabs, and like her yell. So, all right, let me get my. All right, here we go. Let me move this a bit, and we're good. Okay, now I can see my combo attacks. Okay. Boom! Wow. I really want to throw her into that statue and combo off of that. Like, really bad. Oh, stick of the devil. Okay. Trent, what's up, dude? What's up, Zach? Okay. Yeah, you're not throwing that at me, homegirl. Not today. I like how there's like different levels as well. As you guys see on your ability, when it's red, it's like the full-blown one. When it's yellow, you can do it like up close and personal, and it stuns them still. So that, like every different color has like a different fucking, I guess, effect to the move, the ability. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to fucking. I feel like this dude's just gonna rely on the screen. So I'm trying not to push up too much, but fuck it. There you go. Dynasty doing some work. I'm waiting for it. I'm about to parry this homegirl right here. She's about to get parried. She's about to get parried. Oh. Jeez. The comeback. Do you think Green Arrow will be back? I'm not sure, man. I hope so. If not, just give me like Arsenal. I'll be happy. Oh no, she got it. Which is weird because, I mean, I get it. I mean, it's a high. I was blocking back, and I was too low. Okay. Maybe a skin for Captain Cold. Pretty sure Captain Cold's in this game as like an actual character. Like you wouldn't need a skin. As I punch homegirl in the face. So this wave, the character reveals are going. Do you think this league's roster is true? I think so far that roster is true, isn't it? So I don't want to say yes completely, but I do think it's interesting how so far I think every character that's been revealed has been on that league's roster. So I'm not going to say it's real. I'm not going to say it's fake, but I do think it is interesting how that league's roster so far has been pretty damn accurate. Rather have Arsenal than lame ass Green Arrow. I mean, practically the same. Green Arrow won't be back. He died. Yes, he's killed. Got killed by Superman. They actually acknowledged that inside one of the intros in the beta. I don't think this guy's gonna rematch me, but whatever. Next opponent. Guys, if you could drop a like on the stream, that would be amazing, because, you know, a like goes a long way. Leave a like. Okay, 4% win odds. Let's do this. He is a zombie bitch. I think we're talking about Solomon Grundy there. Okay.
Black Canary. Black Canary.
Alright.
Fighters approaching.
The Blacks of the Canaries. Too bad the DLC characters can't be leaked. Give it some time, dude. You never know.
Two birds, one fight. Which of us is louder? The one left standing.
Begin.
I think this guy's like steady struggling. He's just like running backwards, and then all of a sudden he pulls off a nice string. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm gonna come back here, boys. I'm gonna come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Watch, Dynasty's about to turn up here and do some work, some high quality gameplay. Okay. This dude has a super move. He has a full bar meter. definitely scaring me a bit. So if he gets that, then I'm fucked. Oh shit, okay. I got a super move that if I can get pulled off, we'll win. Fuck. Yeah, it's all ogre now. It's all ogre. It's gonna take a miracle. Oh, don't do me dirty. Don't do it. No. I was blocking back. This is bullshit. Stop. Ah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Black Canary wins.
Woo! He was a level 1 still. He did that one fucking stream to start things off. Kicked my ass. But she is a pretty good character. Very different playstyle compared to everyone else on the roster so far. Like, completely different. Aw, dude, come on. Like, you're gonna run to the back of the fucking map. And that parry just, like, didn't do shit. Ha! Those wake-ups, though. Those wake-ups, though. Dude, I'm getting wrecked. I wish she had some more moves using her Canary cry. Yeah, there's literally just the ability, and that's it. Like, that is it. Trying to clash there. Nope. Rip Dynasty. Fuck! I needed that. I fucked it up. Oh no! I could have fucking comboed there. God. Dude, I'm choking. I am choking. This guy wants me to push him. Oh my god. If I win this, I am done. If I win this, I am done. I don't deserve this shit. Oh my god, I did not deserve to win that game. What the fuck? That was so bad.
Black Canary wins.
Oh, that was so bad. That was so bad. That was so bad. Okay. Damn, we got an epic already. We got an epic. GG's, dude. GG's. Let's go look at the epic real quick.